are we doing here today? You don't know? We're not here to ice skate? No? 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 Not no more? What?
I never learned one of them.
You never learned it?
Yeah, I never used one.
Do you want to learn it though? You want to learn how to ice skate? Mommy and daughter's over there buying food for us over at Potato Corner. You like the curly fries, Don? Don, do you like it? You sure you like it? Cheers. You look so old now. You look like Lila.
I'm not Lila. I'm never gonna be like Lila.
I'm just saying you look kind of similar to her. Why you always gotta go to the bathroom?
Because I was due. Right there.
What's wrong with your bladder? You always gotta go to the bathroom.
What's a bladder? He barely drinks. Oh, bladder's a pee.
Bladder what holds your liquids and turns into pee-pee. Where's the bathroom?
When do I ever have
Where is it?
When I get excited, I don't ever have to.
Oh, there it is. You excited to ride the train?
It's gotta be long. Wait, Daddy, why they're inside?
Who?
The mommy and Chad.
Because they're shopping. We're gonna be riding that train right there. Coming up.
16 minutes past.
6 minutes.
Oh, it's only 6 minutes. I thought it was 60.
No, 6 minutes. Sunday, you excited? You're about to ride the train. Since Cherish and Mommy wants to go shopping, the boys are gonna get to ride the train, huh?
Yeah.
Since Cherish didn't get to stay with us.
I never got to go to train.
Come on, Don. You got it?
I don't understand.
You don't understand it? What do you mean you don't understand it? Are you doing good, Cherish? Are you doing good?
Daddy.
How are you doing?
Bad.
Bad?
I can't do this.
You can't do that?
No.
You can't? Do you know how? It's kind of like rollerblading.
Rollerblading is much more easier.
No, rollerblading is the same. Good job, dog. Keep going. Keep using that. Got a Lamborghini right in front of me, y'all. See this?
How you know that's a Lamborghini though? That's how you know they're rich.
No, they probably rent it.